In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to the Runway ML timeline. If you're brand new to the interface, don't worry. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along smoothly. By the end, you'll have your video sitting on the timeline, ready for editing. First, let's get your video into your project's media library, sometimes called assets. Open your project in the editor and look for the button that says Upload or Add Input. It's usually near the Assets or Media section. Click it, browse your computer, and select the video file you want to use. If you see a progress bar or a small processing indicator, let it finish before moving on. Large files can take a moment, so be patient. A quick tip: use clear file names so it's easy to identify the right clip later. If your file doesn't appear, double-check that the format is supported and try again. Once the upload completes, your video will appear in the Assets panel. This panel is your project's library, where every clip, image, or audio file you add will live. You should see a thumbnail or file name representing your video, along with basic details like duration. If your project has a lot of media, use the search bar or sorting options to find it quicker. You can also rename the clip right here to keep things organized. The key is to confirm the upload has finished and that the clip is ready before placing it on the timeline. Now you're ready to bring the clip into your sequence. Locate the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you assemble your story chronologically. Click and hold your video in the Assets panel, then drag it down to the timeline. As you hover over the timeline, you'll see where the clip will land, usually snapping to the start at 00 ROC or to the playhead if you've positioned it elsewhere. Release the mouse to drop the clip into place. If your video has audio, you'll often see a linked audio waveform appear directly beneath the video track. If the clip ends up in the wrong spot, just click and drag it along the timeline to reposition it. That's it. You've uploaded your video, located it in the Assets panel, and placed it on the timeline. From here, you can begin editing, arranging, and refining your project. Save your progress, and you're ready for the next steps in your creative workflow.